Hey y'all, it's me, Dalton James. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time tuning in, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is an old video from 4 months ago. We are obviously in Corona, self-quarantine, shelter in place here in California time. I finally have time though, after moving here, to upload said video and edit it and get it all ready. So here it is, and that's my little intro. Hey y'all, it's me, Dalton James. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, or if this is your first time tuning in, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's a little dark in here, but today we are doing another episode, and the first and last one in this kitchen, Cooking with Dalton, where we are going to continue off of last week's video. Yeah, it was last week then. Now it's been 4 months. Spot the difference challenge. Talked about Weight Watchers Purple, and I'm going to make a Weight Watchers Purple-ish recipe for lasagna. Okay, I love lasagna. You might like lasagna. It's a great option. It feeds a lot of people, or just one of me. I already have my water boiling with the lasagna noodles in there. If that pops one more time, we're done. So, stay tuned and continue watching this. Don't forget to hit that big red subscribe button down below, and let's get started. Okay, so I already said that I have the water boiling for the lasagna noodles, because those are in there. Let me just push them down a little bit. And I went and got a whole grain lasagna noodle. Here, we have 99% fat-free ground turkey breast. And then I'm gonna start cooking that now so that we have the meat for the lasagna ready too. And I'm gonna spray a non-stick coating on the pan here, which is it's a pan with olive oil. I'm gonna throw the turkey in there. We're gonna get it nice and brown. And what we're gonna do first is, we already have the noodles in there. Now we're gonna brown the turkey, which is the protein we're gonna use. Okay, so if you can hear me over that sizzling of the meat, if you use whole grain lasagna noodles on Weight Watchers Purple for the Reimagined program, it is 0 points. Ground turkey breast, if it's 99% fat free, is also 0 points. So we're looking at 2 0-point foods being cooked right now. Some of you might not be used to turkey in your lasagnas. I know a lot of people eat like beef lasagnas. My mom actually makes a really good spinach and zucchini lasagna, which obviously spinach and zucchini are also 0 points, so that works too. My whole life, my family never really ate a lot of beef, so I'm actually very used to a turkey lasagna. But what's important to be sure that if you want that 0 points, it has to be 99% fat-free ground turkey breast. So I'm just gonna get here and get everything all brown here. And we will be right back. Okay, so now the noodles are done, all floppy and whatnot. And then I have a no sugar added tomato sauce that we're gonna add to the ground turkey now that the turkey is browned. I use legitimately the whole can, and I'm gonna stir that up in there. But I'm gonna turn the heat down on the turkey while I get the cheese mixture ready. The turkey's already done cooking. I don't want it to burn or anything. That's all stirred in. Now let's get the cheese mixture ready. Okay, so now we're gonna make the cheese mixture. I've got a part skim ricotta, Parmesan cheese, fat-free mozzarella, and then oregano as a seasoning as well. I'm gonna add almost the entire bag of mozzarella in here. And then for the Parmesan, I'm gonna do quite a bit less of the Parmesan, only about half a cup of it. And then the ricotta, you really only need like a cup of the ricotta. I personally really like ricotta, so I'm actually gonna put a little bit more than the cup. I'm probably gonna put the whole thing in here, if I can get it open. Mom! My mom's recipe, and she's not even here to open the things for me. Open! The rest of Latter-day Saints of the Mormon Church, open up!
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
And we're just gonna throw in like a tablespoon of oregano, okay? And this next part, they're actually mixing the cheese mixture together, so it looks like this. I'm just gonna use my hands, because honestly I think that's a little bit easier. The ricotta is fully in there, all the cheeses are mixed up together, the seasonings in every little part. Oh, haha, so let's put an egg white in here. I thought I was missing something. Okay, now that's in there, mixing in the egg white. And now we're almost ready, because we got noodles, cheese, meat, sauce, we're good. So I'm reading my mom's recipe and I made it wrong. You're actually not supposed to add the mozzarella to the cheese mixture. You're gonna add the mozzarella on top of the ricotta cheese mixture after. So you should have saved the mozzarella. So don't put it in there, save it, and I'll show you what we do next, because now we're gonna start assembling our lasagna. First, I'm gonna spray the whole lasagna dish with the olive oil pan spray from earlier. And then we're gonna do a layer of meat, noodles, cheese, mozzarella, then all over again, okay? So truth be told, I'm not winning any baking awards, cooking shows, cooking high fives for the making of this lasagna. But you know what? Hopefully it'll taste good. Because when I tell you that this looks really ratchet, it does. But you know what? Ta-da!
No, 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 no.
Okay, so I'm gonna put this in the oven for 50 minutes. Then I'll get back to you and we'll see how it goes. Grab your tin foil and spray the tin foil with the pan. And that way the cheese can stick to it, and then cover it. Cover your lasagna. Wait, I don't burn myself. Okay, so after baking for 50 minutes, it is done. Shut up! So I baked it for 50 minutes, took the tin foil off, and then 10 more without the tin foil. We got a lasagna! Who wants lasagna?
Hey mom, say who want lasagna? Who want lasagna?
Let's just take a look at these bubbles. Look at those bubble and juice and stuff. If you have any questions about the recipe I cooked, definitely leave those in the comments below. Also, you can see it's a lot of lasagna, so it can feed lots of people. And obviously I'm gonna eat it by myself because that's me. I'm not eating it all in one day, obviously. Like, that's insane. But yeah, definitely let me know if you want any other kind of recipes or if you have any suggestions when it comes to making lasagna. Definitely should have used more sauce because I'm stupid. And if you like this kind of video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and hit that big red subscribe button down below. Thank you so much for watching this episode of Cooking with Dalton. And next time you see me, you'll probably be in California. So, goodbye.